Welcome to Popular History, where we uncover the past and share fascinating stories to spark your curiosity. Today, we travel back to Victorian England, to the match factories where a group of young women and girls faced a harsh and toxic reality. Victorian England was an era of stark contrasts, of grand progress and grim poverty, of dazzling wealth and dire hardship. In the densely packed streets of London, as the wealth of the empire reached its zenith, an invisible class toiled in the shadows. Match girls, often no more than children, worked in factories that were more akin to industrial dungeons than places of employment. These girls manufactured matches, which were essential in an age where gaslighting was only just emerging. Working long days in squalid conditions, they handled white phosphorus, nicknamed the devil's element, without any protection. This toxic substance caused the dreaded Phossy Jaw, a horrifying disease leading to severe facial disfigurement and, in the worst cases, a slow and painful death. In 1888, amidst this backdrop of suffering, a spark of defiance ignited. The women of the Bryant and May match factory, tired of the inhumane conditions and paltry pay, decided to strike. This was an unprecedented action that caught the public eye. Led by social activists like Annie Besant, these brave women, many of whom were mere teenagers, stood up for their rights, demanding better treatment and fair pay. The strike marked one of the first successful labor movements in British history and compelled factory owners to improve conditions, ban white phosphorus, and introduce safety measures. Yet, the triumph of the match girls is a reminder of the vast human cost of the Industrial Revolution, a saga of suffering etched into the cobbled streets of history. Through their struggle, these women lit a match that burnt brightly for workers' rights, leaving behind a legacy far stronger than the matches they once made. Thank you for joining us on Popular History for this harrowing yet inspiring chapter of the past. If you enjoyed delving into the plight of the Victorian match girls and the strength they showed in the face of adversity, please like and subscribe. Every bit of your support helps us bring more stories from the depths of history to light. Until our next journey into the past, stay curious, history enthusiasts.